Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Now who did it, now who they use, now who they calavanti. Today I bring Reno Mockery or Mockery, I be Reno Mockery. I bring him to this my table today. Let's listen to him. Waiting he get for us with the Nigeria citizen. Please, I send you guys hug, I send you guys love. According to comment when I received yesterday, when somebody say, may I go fight for who? For who? You look me like somebody who they feel use the head to jam war. You look me like somebody who don't know what he want. Politics, you put it here. If it's too heavy, you remove hand. But if you want to put it for your head, you will knock your head and you enter 6 feet. Please, anybody should not come on my comment section telling me if you are not a content creator, go and open your YouTube channel. If you are not a content creator, you can. If you don't like YouTube, go to Facebook. If you like YouTube and you don't know how to open it, inbox me. If you said you want to fight for obedience, inbox me, tell me how to open YouTube channel. I will tell you how to open so that you will be fighting. If you not fight yourself in 6 feet, then you will still continue fighting inside the 6 feet. Everybody should mind the comment you drop for me. I'm not a politics. My dad, he was a full-time politics. Nothing we gain. Nigerians is people. In fact, the true people, the good people, we criticize them, but the bad people, we never see any bad thing around them. We always see good. That is my own country, Nigeria. Those people who we trying to favor us, trying to make our country better, Nigeria, whether you just maybe better government or better president come into Nigeria today, it can't do Nigeria to build a country, not just a day, not 1 year, not 2 years. We need to give our leaders time. The good one, not the bad one. Please, before I start calavanti, let's first of all listen to Reno Mockery. Let's listen to him first before I start calavanti.
We've seen that the Presidential Election Petition Court has ruled against the petition brought before them by Peter Obi and the Labour Party, and it's not too surprising. Now, I'm a supporter of Waziri Atiku Abubakar. I will support him whatever he does. However, why I'm speaking to you today is because some prominent obedience have called for mass civil disobedience, and some are even coup baiting. One of them, some time ago, said that coup is an option. Look, Nigeria has gone too far. We want democracy, and even if our candidates did not win the election and did not win at the Presidential Election Petition Court,
why coup for Nigeria? Nigeria practice democracy. Yes, as a president, you have right to rule 2 times, like France, like America, like some civilians country, like civilians country. The same thing Nigeria practice. Nigeria practice once you know they vote for you or you put yourself according to some people who said they always put themselves. Once they put themselves, then after 2 years, 8 years, 4 years, they vote again, they put themselves. After 4 years, then we go. 8 years, then we go. Which one is coup? You guys don't know the meaning of coup. Coup is like Cameroon. If Cameroon preach about those things, I will sign it. I will say, yes, how can a president, 90 years old man, still be a president? 90 years old man, rule for many years. Your father rule and hand over it to you. You want to still rule and hand over it to your child. Nigeria. Can you ever see any Nigeria since I start, being like this, be an adult lady? I've never seen. No? Presidency always turn around. Whether they use their power to put themselves, but at least it turn around. If the way Nigeria people do politics is the same thing, those like Niger, Gabon, Cameroon, those countries, if they practice the way Nigeria practice, I don't think there will be coup. Coup, Wabi? Yes, I don't think military will take over. Why military will take over? Just because obedience and APC and PDP. Is it today? I beg you, let's listen.
This democracy must thrive. This is about Nigeria, not about Peter Obi. And I call on all Nigerians to disregard any such.
That is true. This is Nigeria, not about Obi. This is Nigeria, not about Obi. Okay? People vote. Then when they said, okay, this person candidate don't win, let's leave people to be. Not about Obi. If you really like Nigerians to claim, you're not supposed to they practice violence, not supposed to they put violence in any way. If there is anybody, I respect so much, is this lady, Nello Okeke, the way he put Obi for head. As, Obi don't win. According to how I see, they say Obi don't win. You never see her. She's a content creator. How many content you see she creates? No, some people will be there. You vote for, and those kind of people, they are the most tribalistic people. They vote because of tribal. They vote because, and those people, they're full of tribalism. If Nigeria will stop doing well, moving forward, seeing those people, many of us drop tribalism. We're full of tribal. And we come another person country, we say, oh, racist. We are racist to ourselves. Nigeria, we are racist to ourselves.
Touch on patriotic cause. I want to tell you something. I've been a victim of the obedient movement. Seriously, I did not start out to fight the obedient movement. I was in support of Waziri Atiku Abubakar, and that was it. I was not against the obedient movement. Why did I go against the movement? These people came against me, and my family threatened me.
Why go against people? These are the things I don't like. I dislike it. My dad explained it to me. Politics is a game, whether you win or you lose. If you can't convert person to come your party, it doesn't mean he's your worst enemy. But many of those young youths now, if they see maybe you support Atiku or Tinubu, you don't support the one they want, they will start hating on you. You should take it easy. Don't just, maybe not just sit down just because of the person we want him to win, he not win. Then anybody who vote for the person, it become an enemy. Who vote for the opposite side become an enemy. Now go sit down, comfortable. Now go they preach. They vote because of tribal. Ah, you are the biggest tribalism in that country, Nigeria. Those people who always speak about, they vote because they are the biggest tribalism. Go and dig them out.
Used every kind of underhand tactic. They set up a petition against me, trying to ban me from Twitter. They sponsored journalists like Rufai Husseini of Arise TV to lie against me. And then they came out against me on social media with some of the most vilest insults, threats, and abuse that you can imagine. These guys don't mean well for Nigeria. A movement like this is a threat to Nigeria's corporate existence. So now that they are saying these things after they've lost at the tribunal, I encourage Nigerians to ignore them. If they feel that they have been cheated at the tribunal, let them go for appeal at the Supreme Court. Listen, this is a man, Peter Obi, who in a leaked audio call was planning religious war against the Muslim Ummah. Can that kind of man mean well for Nigeria? Okay, he denied it and he said he was going to sue. This is about 8 months after. Has he sued? Of course he's not going to sue because he did it. If he did not do it, let him take me to court. I, Reno Mokri, am saying that is his voice on that tape, and he was the one calling for a religious war against the Muslim Ummah. Is that the kind of person that we need in Nigeria? Disregard any such calls. Democracy must thrive in Nigeria. Nigeria is above and beyond Peter Obi and his obedience. We call on the Nigerian armed forces and the police to resist any move at all to threaten our democracy. We will support you. I am going to support this administration, the administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Kashim Shettima, for the limited purpose of crushing any attempt to subvert our democracy. The limited purpose. I am still a supporter of Waziri Atiku Abubakar, but for this limited purpose, I will support them. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you all.
You guys here, he's not a APC member. This is how to roll. Area guys, the real area. The real pepper. This is how politics work. If you guys don't know how politics work, go and learn. Go and sit down. Doesn't mean you go to school. You think you have sense. Go and sleep. This is how politics supposed to be. He's not a APC. This man, he's not APC member. He's PDP member. But when he see the candidates, when he by himself, when people was trying to criticize Tinubu, he said this, he said that, he said this. And he know who go school at all. This man pay tickets and go straight because they know many of Nigeria, mostly those people who full of tribalism for Nigeria, they can spoil your name and that thing will fit you. Nobody can pay. In fact, nobody can clean it. This man took his time to go America, to go and confirm if Tinubu is a real graduate. Behold, the man is a graduate. Graduate with first class. No graduate with moi, graduate with fly color. You guys are there. And you guys are seeing what this man is still doing. No, as far as say, the person you want him to win, he not win. Nothing you will ever see this man is doing is good. Nothing. Nothing. You can't hold your governor. Why are you holding a president? Why with the individual Nigeria? We always criticize president. 5 billion they just released to states now. I hope you guys, in fact, they don't put some sansan inside una ear. Some of now, not all Nigeria, some the tribal one I dey talk to. Come under my comment, I'll use your comment to create content and blast you. Me, I know dey fear comment. Comment, not dey enter this my skin. If you are a content creator, go to your channel. This month is to eat and talk. As far I'm talking in favor of my country, I don't need war. I don't need, when people start to the riots now, innocent children, they go they buy the obi one that they fight for, go there one corner with his children. They know his children don't come outside. The innocent one, now they go use her to fix her. They go over injure, the obi no come outside. They don't release 5 billion for each state. Now, I go the whole now government, now governor. Waiting that they use the 5 billion they do now. 5 billion, what is 5 billion naira? If you are another country, go eat. 5 billion convert to dollar, go and go eat. 5 billion naira convert to euro, go and go eat. Some Africa country in a year, they will not see that kind of money. They just release it now to your state, to my state. What our government, our governor is doing with that money. Those are the people you're supposed to fix. Not your president who travel out of the country to go and bring investor. Can't you see the way Tinubu is traveling? Everybody, they are calling him. The way he's trying to, bring investor to Nigeria. Once investors start coming to Nigeria now, work with Chaparata, work with many. Youth, we have work. Those are the president work. Stop tribalism. Don't sit down comfortable. Tinubu is not, I'm from Edo. I'm from Edo. Onwa East. I'm from there. I'm not a Yoruba. But when I see this man, he's rich. He's a billionaire. He don't need money. But maybe the way he's seeing Nigeria, he want to try his best. If his best will lift Nigeria. That's how I see it. We should not be blind with tribalism. We should not be blind just because of the Kokubam chopping. He's that place. He supports that person. I want to support. We should stop. We should not too blind just because my friend is supporting that. I must know. Be woman on your own. Look things. You hear this mockery. He's not a APC member. He's a PDP. But when he see the good things, the man is trying to break. He's supporting. He's still a PDP member, but he's supporting. This man, whether debtor, president, as he dey pay them, he dey sweet us, as he dey sweet us, he dey pay them. He's a PDP candidate, a PDP leader. He supports this Tinubu. Who are you? Do you understand party? Good politics, real good politicians who mean well to Nigeria. The moment they see, not today, I tell you, I say my dad is a politics, whether the local one or the anyone, I don't know. But at least politics, I understand it. If they see the candidate, they are from that party. And that candidate on that party brig, he's more better than the one their party. They will slow down by campaign. They will join. They will tell some of their audience that you go and vote. That is what this man do. That is what that man, as they paint there, if they sweet us, the same thing he do. Real people who have Nigeria for mind, if they see good person come on, that's how they support them. Please, if you are a youth outside there, don't let anybody fox you for protest. Yes, don't let anybody to fox you. Let them go and use their head to carry the thing, the obedience party they are preaching. Don't fox yourself. Let's give Tinubu chance. If he can't still do it, if God said it's not true Tinubu will still, Nigeria will be better, then let the will of God speak. We are not God. God knows where Nigeria is going. As my prophet, may so rest in peace, he said Nigeria will become great. He said those people who have hand in Nigeria, who don't want Nigeria to progress, so when Nigeria will start progress, many of them will be in sick bed. Many of them, some will go. Why are we disturbing ourselves? Why are we sending our loved one, our brother, our sister to go and protest? Some of them will pass there. There is this protest who happened in Lagos. One person in my own place, my own area, my own place was last 3 years. I don't remember again. NSACS. This person, I say it in internet. He lost one of his legs. Nobody, and you are there. Preaching people should come outside. Use your head to come outside. Come on down my comment section. I will use it to create content. You go outside and protest. If you are youth there, please respect your life. If you dey protest for something that e worth it, like that NSAS, me I don't have hand. Say president, their votes, this one. No, leave all those people full of tribal. People full of tribal. Our Nigeria, it's time for you guys to, leave tribalism. It's time for you guys to start seeing yourself as a one. If you start seeing yourself as a one, Nigeria will move forward. This one is not for them. These are not for Yoruba. These are not from East. These are not from North. If we stop it, then our country will move forward. This work, Tinubu is working now. As what this guy, Mockery, Brigade, I will bring this video. He said, if you guys are preaching, Obi is the best to bring. He said the time of Obi governor, when Obi was governor, you should go and check in all the Nigeria 37 states. Let me put it 37 states. Is it Obi state is the best when he was ruling as a governor? That is what we will start asking ourselves. If Obi, in fact, they vote Obi there, Obi can do nothing. Nigeria is deep. Nigeria is strong like this. We don't even know why God removed it from the Obi. No, we are there, blabby. My people, now this one is pretty common. As our brother said that they threaten his life, Reno Mockery, he said that Reno Mockery, he said they threaten his family, they do a lot, say they want to deal with him, they try to block him in Twitter, this. Wait till some people don't understand. Those social media, they are not mugu. They study. If you report my channel, they will study. If really what you think say, if you have billions of people, once they try to look it, they will know say, I be illo say my channel be illo say not just heavy, jealous, now get, now I try break my channel. They will know mine now. No, not start to respect to our country. As na take peg to our country for outside, and so they will take peg to our for outside like that. If you say your country na charcoal, they will help you carry and no one like charcoal. It's time for we to come as a one. Try to do our country. One president can't do it. Last our Oba of Benin talk. He say we should come together and let Nigeria work. As our deeper life pastor sit up, he said we should work hand to hand and let our country move forward. We should support our president. No, now they do. Tribalism people now they cry now they the tribal part so now see they cry. No, now go learn for Nello as Nello take add now so we Nigeria who need work to something as so that they add. My people that who they still drop comments are not gospel. If they pay you as they pay you, they see me. You know some people think hey, if they pay you as they pay you, hey, if they see me. You know some people talk hey, if they pay you as they pay you, hey, if they see me.
To discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy I don't, I no go feed the